Welcome back to One More Guru. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz using Tally. First, log into your Tally dashboard. From the home screen, click New Form. You have two options. Start from scratch. This lets you build your quiz manually, using the blocks available in Tally. You can explore different block types to add questions, options, and other interactive elements to your quiz. Use a template. If you want to create a quiz faster, Tally has ready-made templates. Click on All Templates and search for quiz templates. You'll find options like online trivia quizzes or personality quizzes. Choose the template that best fits your needs, then click Use this template. Once your form or template is open, start editing it to match your quiz theme. For example, you could create a cat quiz by changing the questions, updating the answer options, and keeping elements like the Next Question button. You can also customize the final results page and add extra blocks if you like. After finishing your edits, your quiz is ready to share. Tally makes it easy to manage responses and track scores. And that's basically it. Creating a quiz on Tally is simple and flexible. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more easy, step-by-step tutorials like this.